Recall that the division is not associative for integers, then what about the rational numbers? Let us see if 1 by 2 divided by in bracket minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to in bracket 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 bracket close and divided by 2 by 5. We have LHS. So you have to find out the value, and RHS you have to find out the value. Is the RHS equal to LHS? Check for yourself. You will find that the division is not associative for rational numbers. Try this. You have to complete the table. The blank space is there and you have to fill rational number, integer, whole number, natural numbers, and associative for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Now examples are there. Find the solution. 3 by 7 plus in bracket minus 6 by 11 plus in bracket minus 8 by 21 plus in bracket 5 by 22. Solution is there. You will solve by taking the LCM. Then answer is minus 125 by 462, and again we can also solve it by taking a groups using the commutative and the associativity. The result will be again same minus 125 by 462. Do you think the properties of commutative and associativity made the calculation easier? See the solution. Here minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into in bracket minus 14 by 9. Solution. Minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. See, you have made the two groups, and minus 12 by 35 and minus 35 by 24, and result is 1 by 2. We can also do it as minus 4 by 5 into 15 by 16 into 3 by 7 into minus 14 by 9. Using the commutative and the associativity, result is again same 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next point is 1.2.4, the rule of the zero. Rule of zero. Look at the following. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 is equal to 0 plus 2. Addition of 0 to a whole number. Minus 5 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 5 is minus 0 plus in bracket minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Addition of 0 to an integer. Minus 2 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus in bracket minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7. Addition of 0 to a rational number. You have done such additions earlier also. Do a few more such additions. What do you observe? You will find that when you add 0 to a whole number, the sum is again that whole number. This happens to integers and the rational numbers also. In general, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a, where a is a whole number. B plus 0 is equal to 0 plus b is equal to b, where b is an integer. C plus 0 is equal to 0 plus c is equal to c, where c is a rational number. 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. It is the additive in identity for integers and whole numbers as well. Next topic is 1.2.5, the rule of 1.